In this guide, we're going over how you can use Big Bang Drive here in Lock 2 the right way. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this move is essentially a stronger bicycle kick, and it launches you way higher and hits way harder than a normal shot. First things first, your aim is controlled by your camera, so look for higher shots and look down for low, faster shots. Keep it straight for just like balance shots. I recommend turning on shift lock. I think it makes it a little bit easier. But by far the easiest way to score is just aiming down when you're close to the goal. This makes the shot so much harder to block and is a lot more consistent. Now, timing is also extremely important. You don't want to activate it too early. Jump first and then wait till you reach the peak and then use that skill while falling, which will give you better height and better angle. Like, for example, you could use it right there. A good setup is also using a header first. So hit the ball up and then instantly use the Big Bang Drive, which will make your shot way harder to defend. Positioning also does matter, so stay lined up with the goal itself and adjust your camera depending on your angle. Also, builds do affect performance. The taller your build, the more power you're going to have, but shorter builds are more consistent and easier to control. But finally, just watch the cooldown. If you miss, it's shorter. If you score, it's longer, so don't spam it. Use it at the right time. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.